In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone as a moderator to your subreddit in Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure the right people get the right level of control in your community. First, make sure you're signed in to the Reddit account that already has moderator rights for the subreddit you're working with. You can only invite moderators if you're already a mod yourself. Once you're logged in, open your subreddit community. You can do this by clicking on your profile and choosing it from the list of communities you moderate, or by typing the subreddit's name into the search bar and opening it from there. You should now be looking at your subreddit's main page. Next, you'll need to access the moderation settings. On the subreddit page, look for the option labeled Mods and Members. This is usually found in the sidebar or within the moderation tools area, depending on which Reddit layout you're using. Click on Mods and Members to open the management view. This is where you can see who currently moderates your community, as well as members and other roles, all in one place. Inside this section, look for the button or link that says Invite Mods. Click on Invite Mods to start the process of adding a new moderator. At this point, Reddit will guide you with on-screen prompts, and it's important to follow them carefully. Typically, the first thing you'll be asked to do is enter the Reddit username of the person you want to invite. Make sure you type their username correctly, without extra spaces or mistakes, because the invite will only go to that exact account. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before you move on. Depending on Reddit's current interface, you may also be able to choose the type or level of moderator permissions you want to give. If you see options for different permissions, take a moment to review them. Think about what responsibilities this person should have. For example, helping remove spam, managing posts and comments, or handling community settings. Giving only the access they need can help keep your